guys, welcome back. Spoon River Outdoors. We're on a little bank pole setting adventure today. We got about 20 of them out. We just got down to the end. We're coming back up to the top to get out for the night, and we did end up catching something here in the last few minutes. It looks mighty small. It's barely moving the pole. We'll see what we got here. Oh, we got a little tiny one, plate sized. Not bad though. We'll go ahead and let him go and try to catch him next year. So tonight we're setting these poles with worms and leeches, water leeches. I like the leeches a lot better than the worms because you can catch multiple fish on one leech. They usually won't tear it off. It'll be there if you're checking them throughout the night. They're just a lot more hardy, and it seems to keep the junk fish off. I don't remember ever catching a carp with a leech on, so that's our hope. No carp. Hey guys, I wanted to talk to you about this new setup. Oh boy, we got a snapper.
Oh geez.
I didn't think there was anything on here. Anyway, I wanted to talk to you about these fiberglass poles. It's fiberglass rebar. You've probably seen my earlier videos about how I make my PVC poles, and I do like them. I thought I'd try this fiberglass out just because it's lighter. I still need to figure out what I'm going to do to secure my hooks when I'm not using them and transporting them. It's become a mess. I just put some electrical tape around them, but I don't like that idea. It's chintzy and messy. I need something that's going to be faster. So if I get that figured out, I'll let you know. Well, looks like we got another one. This is still setting night one. Looks like the smaller ones might be active early. We'll see what we got on this one. It's even smaller. He did pull the leech off. I did put a sliver of worm on each hook also. Just for some additional scent. We are out for our morning pull check. Ended up having 19 pulls out. Caught those two small channel cats last night with the one snapping turtle. We let them all go. We'll see what this morning brings. This is our 7th pull that we've checked, and the first one that we've caught. Again, probably smaller, definitely smaller than I want. He got some fillets on him. I think we will keep him. That's a good eater size. There's a nicer one. That's actually about the perfect eating size. I'd take one of these over a 5+ pounder any day.
Shit.
That's a pretty good one too. Be happy to get him. Perfect eating size right there. Well, that concludes our pull check. We went ahead and yanked the poles. I'm not going to come back tomorrow. The water's a little bit high. We did have a small amount of rain 2 days ago. The height, the elevation of the water, the depth really doesn't bother me. It's the cloudiness. It's just real dirty right now. I know the fish are still going to eat, but it just seems harder to be productive. Three catches overnight on 19 pulls is lower than I like. We did have the 2 small channels that we let go last night, and again the snapper that was too small to keep. That's what we've got in there, roughly a 1, a 2, and a 3 pounder, all good eating sizes. So I'm pretty thankful for those. I did want to show you these poles I talked to you earlier yesterday about, with the fiberglass rebar. It's a 3/8 fiberglass rebar, and I did decide that if I put that hook right through the hole in my pull tag, that it looks like they're going to stay together pretty well. I'll just keep them in a bundle. I've got my PVC poles still in the Canoe, and I just use some Romax electric wire to bind those into bundles, and it works pretty good. Thank you guys for watching, and hopefully we'll get out here in the next few weeks when the water's calmed down and the rains slow down a little bit.